Better wear gloves for that, but that looks like our H1 halogens. Looks like it. Okay, I'm not sure what these are yet. Oh, is this... This looks like it could be the ballast for the HID, maybe. I don't know. Yes, it says HID ballast, 35 watt. We're packing. Here's our projectors. It's all here. Those are supposed to be for some running lights. Do you or don't you want to hook them up? There doesn't look like there's anything in there that I can see other than the shutter, I think. And what is that for? Okay. This is what is for the shutter, I think. Yes, okay. 2 blue wires. Identical color. I don't know. Okay. And it says top up there. DOT, certified, whatever. All the way around here that had to be pushed inward. And then it seems like it's ready to come out. There's a lot of debris in there, but it comes out. You can see there's cracks a little bit here. But here's the housing that we got to take out. And here's the wires here that run to it and into the engine compartment. And I see the gasket now around the assembly as I try to work it loose. And the marker light seems to be in the way. They didn't say anything about taking out the marker light. Can I do this without removing the marker light? Because I do like my marker lights. They actually work. Okay, I'm still trying to... Yeah, there it goes. Had to take it out like that. There's our gasket. And of course, as expected, it's kind of shot. Anyway, there's part of the assembly loose right now. There's the gasket. And looks like this is the correct orientation like this to go in there. Meaning that this notch here, this wide notch at the top here, is to the top, and the writing there, which you can read Japan, is on the bottom. Now, I don't see any rust yet, just a lot of dirt, so I think I'll just clean these up. We're not going to paint. No one ever sees these anyway once you put it back together. Anyway, here's our plug. And looking at it from the top here, you can see there's a red-white that's orientated the way it would be if it were facing forward. And there's our bulb there, 50 watt, 60/50. I guess that's the high beam and low beam wattage. 12.8 volts, 6014. Okay, and back to the wiring here. You got red-white on the right-hand side. On the top is a red-black, and on the other wire, it looks like it's pure red. Okay, so take that loose. There. Get underneath it and then push it from the other side here, it looks like. Okay, it looks like now you can pull it. There it goes. Okay. And that was the passenger, the top one. There it goes. And it was not easy to persuade that one. Okay. Okay, there it goes. I'm getting better at it. It's still very hard. Okay. Should now be able to... Oh, you forgot about this grommet here. Okay, I think it might want to come loose now. Finally. I think we'll clean this up a little. Okay, it's out. I said after you get that out of there, you need to reconnect. So something tells me we're not using that hole again, that we're just going to use the center hole here instead.